Hello students, in this video we are going to see how the applets can be used in Java programming language. Java applets are a small programs that run in a web browser. They are embedded in a HTML pages and executed using a Java enabled browser. The browser may be any type of browsers such as Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Netscape Navigator or any type of browsers, but the browser should be enabled Java programming languages. And the applets are a part of Java programming languages and are based on the AWT packages. AWT, which is nothing but Abstract Window Toolkit. By using the AWT packages only, we can develop the graphical user interface applications in Java. Most probably, using the basic Java languages, we can develop a console applications only. If we develop the graphical user interface applications, that is GUI applications, then we have used AWT packages, that is Abstract Window Toolkit packages. Now let us see the applet life cycle. The first one is initialization part. This method is called when an applet is initialized. Whenever an applet is initialized, the initialization method is called automatically. The next life cycle is start. It is invoked when the applet starts or restarted. After initialization is over, the applet can be start or restarted. It is invoked by using the start method. The next one is paint. It handles the drawing and display updates. If you want to draw any circle, ellipse or arc, then we can use the paint method, or if we want to display any text in GUI applications, then at that time also we can use the paint method. The next one is stop, which is called when the applet is stopped. When we want to stop the applet, then we can invoke the stop method. The last one is destroy. This is the last life cycle of applet. So it is invoked before the applet is removed from the memory. So these are the important methods in applet, which is very similar to the previous slide. Exactly, the first method is init. It initializes the applet. The next one is start. It starts or resumes the applet. When we start at the beginning, then the start method is also invoked, and suppose if it is stopped and again if we want to resume the applet, then we can also the start method. The next method is paint. It is an argument which has an argument. This graphics G. Graphics is a class and G is an object. It handles the GUI rendering. And the next method is stop. It stops the applet when it is not visible. The last one is destroy. It cleans up before the applet is closed. These are the important methods in applet. Next, we will see how to create and run an applet. It creates a Java class extending java.applet.applet. So, it overrides the methods such as init, start, paint, stop and destroy methods using an HTML file with the applet tag to run the applet. So if we want to develop an applet program in Java programming language, then we want to create two files. The first file is Java file and the next file is HTML file. In this HTML file, using the applet tag, we can embed the Java file. So execute using applet viewer tool or Java enabled web browser, we can run the applet programming in Java. So this is an example code for Java programming language using an applet. First we have to import some of the packages while we using applets. So the first package is java applet.applet, and the next one is java.awt.graphics. This AWT packages can be used for Windows toolkits. That is, if you want to graphics applications, we can use AWT packages. So next, the class name is myapplet, which extends the applet class. So inheritance concept can be used in this line. The next one is paint method. This is access control is public and no return, so we have specified void and the paint method, and within the paint method we have one argument, which is a graphics G. Graphics is on class and G is on object. We can specify any name for the object G. So G dot drawstring is a Java method which has three arguments. The first argument is string, the string which to display in the GUI applications. So in this program we have to display hello applets. So the hello applet is a string, so it's enclosed in double quotes. This is the first argument, and the second argument is and the third argument is x and y coordinates. That is, in the display screen, in which positions, in which x and y coordinate positions the hello applet string is displayed. So we have specified 50, 50. So as you already know, students, the 0, 0, that is x value 0 and y value 0, 0, it starts with the top left of the screen. So in the coordinate 50, 50, hello applet can be displayed. So these are the advantages and the limitations. The advantages is it's a platform independent language. Already Java is a platform independent languages. It's an important feature in Java. That's only Java can be very familiar in those times, those days. And it is also a secure execution within browser sandbox. So if we use the browser sandbox, it's a very secure execution and supports GUI components, because before that Java, most of the programming languages only support CUI concept only, that is character user interface, but Java support GUI components. Those are the advantages of applets when we are using Java. And the limitations are requires Java enabled browsers. Sometimes some browsers cannot support Java, so at that time we couldn't run the applet program, which is have while we not having a Java enabled web browsers, and some of the security restrictions are there, and it deprecated in modern browsers also. So these are the limitations in Java programming languages while we using applet. Thank you, guys.